Nitrogen is a group 15 element. It has 5 valence electrons. So I'm going to draw the electron dot structure right here of nitrogen atom, and we can see that it has 1, 2, 3 unpaired valence electrons. 3 unpaired valence electrons means it's going to form 3 bonds. I'm going to draw it again since we have 2 nitrogens in nitrogen gas. And so each of these unpaired valence electrons are going to pair with each other. And so I'm going to draw the electron dot structure. I'm going to put the lone pair electrons to one side for both of these. And all of the shared electrons are going to go in between them. And so we should have a total of 6 shared electrons, 3 from each nitrogen. That'd be the electron dot structure, but we're looking for the Lewis structure. Now the Lewis structure is going to be similar to the electron dot structure, except for every 2 electrons being shared, we're just going to have a line. And so it's going to look like this. And in Lewis structures, you are also going to display the lone pair of electrons that are still in the valence area. So, guys, I hope you found this useful. If you found any value in the video, would you consider commenting, or subscribing? If you have any questions, put them in the comment section below. And until next time, guys, have a nice day and keep on learning.